Hello friends, this is Melissa at Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Rustic Wednesday on Saturday. And today I am doing a Halloween project. Our host is Shabby Meets Bling and Repurpose Your Way. Please check out their channel and the amazing creators in the playlist. Mine is actually a thrift flip. I hope you enjoy the project. What is it with me this year and which projects? But this is what we're going to work on. We're going to kind of make her look better because she's had it rough, I think. So we're going to work on her. I found her at the thrift store. And whoever put her together didn't put her together very well. So we're going to work on this project. First of all, I'm going to start working on removing her from the broom. And this was a thrift flip. I found her at the Goodwill for $3. Seems like everything was $3 there that day. There. Now we're going to, I'm going to paint this black. We're going to paint this black in a little bit. I'm going to remove her hair, a lot of her hair, because it's really discolored and it looks really bad. So here I am doing a hairstyle again. Okay, we're here and we're just taking off the hair and trying really carefully not to ruin this hat. Okay. I liked her face and I liked the hat, but the hair was so discolored with the sun. She needed a hair makeover, so. And I think I'm going to remove this bow. It says that it was originally $14 somewhere. I may get rid of that bow too. There we go. Okay, I'm going to just take this and spray paint it black. Okay, I gave it one coat, but when it comes to this, I'm going to leave a little bit of the brown sticking through to make it look more rustic. And a little bit of the brown sticking through the broom. What do you think, or would you give it another coat? Okay, let's upgrade this a little bit. Let's add some candy corn trim. And I guess if a little bit of that burnt orange sticks out, it's okay. I just want it to be more of the theme that I normally use, which is not the burnt orange. I'd rather have the regular orange. I have some scraps of fabric. I think I'm going to poke some scraps of fabric up in this witch's hat so it stands up a little more. And like I said, there's scraps of fabric that's just kind of on my table right now. Okay, we're going to start adding hair. Who knew I was a hairdresser? This year I've done. This makes the second witch I've had to redo their hair. Uh-oh, it's storming here, guys. You can hear the babies. Tell you all about it. I'm gonna make her have the hair everybody always says I should have. Oh, And now I'm gonna glue the hat down on the hair. Now we're gonna add her face. Now this is where it gets tricky. I may glue that up a little bit. Just a little bit. We want to see her pretty face. And then we'll glue this on top of her head. I like it better already. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. But it hurt my finger. And let's see. Let's add a spider to hold the hat band up. Okay. Now all we have to do is I'm going to add a bow. We're going to just add a black and white bow. And I have a little piece of I have a little piece of the candy corn ribbon, a little tiny scrap. Since it's all used up, we might as well not let it go to waste. You wonder where the broom is. The broom is still drying. So I thought I'd start on this while it dries, because we spray painted it. Okay. Now we'll get rid of that mess that was on her chin. By adding this bow, our bow. Here is our broom. Let's start by, her chin will go here. I'm debating on whether I need a haircut or her hair's perfect. I think I might need a hair trim. Whoever thought they'd hear me say that? My husband, I trimmed my husband's hair twice, and it scared him to death. So. Here's our witch that we did a thrift flip on. She's still rustic, but I just kind of updated her with some candy corn and of course the spider and new hair, because the hair was really faded. She has a new bow down here. It also has candy corn on it. Tell me what you think about her. Do you like her better this way or the way she was before?